Блядь, надо было нажать, да? Вот она, наша буханка, которая ехала.
Ukraine broke the plans of the occupiers by organizing an offensive on two flanks, right the Institute for the Study of War. The simultaneous counteroffensive operations and actions of the Ukrainian army in Bakhmut and in the south hinder the long-term efforts of the Russian Federation to build up forces. The enemy has to redeploy his new reserves for defense. However, the military and analysts estimate that the Russian Federation will not be able to restore the combat capability of part of the occupiers until at least 2024. They noted that today, the defense forces of Ukraine really broke through the Russian field fortifications west of Verbovoy in the western part of the Zaporizhia region. And although they did not overcome all the fortifications prepared by the occupiers, they managed to step by step deepen their penetration in the south, storming Novoprokopivka, a frontline village 1.5 kilometers from Robotine. At the same time, the armed forces weakened the occupiers in the Bakhmut direction. The Ukrainian military said that the counteroffensive will continue in the winter. This is truly big if true. A Russian Telegram channel claims that at least 34 Russian officers were killed in a Ukrainian attack on the Russian Black Sea Fleet headquarters in temporarily occupied Sevastopol, Crimea. Ukrainian journalist Budanov reported 9 dead and 16 injured. Apparently there are more, and Ukrainian intelligence previously reported that 2 high-ranking Russian generals are seriously injured in the attack. Crimea is armed with air defense systems, but cannot cope with Western-made cruise missiles. ATACMS and Taurus cruise missiles will be available for Ukraine. It's a matter of time, spokesman for the Ukrainian Air Force Yuri Ignat said. Sevastopol residents are suddenly concerned about what conditions the city bomb shelters are in. Here's a free tip for them. Break the locks and start cleaning them yourselves. You'll need these shelters soon.
Вот, пожалуйста, у нас рядом Блюхера 9, укрытие в соседнем доме. Подходим 3 метра, смотрим, телефон, и все закрыто.
In southern Ukraine, a group of Russian soldiers filmed their overturned and burning vehicle after a Ukrainian strike.
Вот она.
Behind the scenes of Russian propaganda filming, Putin's battalions tried to figure out what Elon Musk actually acquired. Was it a sweater or a liter? It still remains unclear.
Вы скажете, что мы видели, что ты купил вчера твиттер.
Твиттер – это тоже связь.
Связь. Твиттер. Вот. И вы скажете, что мы видим, к чему это все идет, и что гражданская война неизбежна. Поэтому тебе политическое убежище обязательно понадобится. И ты вчера купил, ну, твиттер. Вот ты слово забыл. Твиттер. Это Твиттер.
Russia develops a lot of drone everybody. Surprise, surprise. Russia recognizes the territorial integrity of Ukraine within the framework of the Declaration of State Sovereignty of July 16, 1990. This was stated by Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov in his press conference during the 78th session of the United Nations General Assembly. He referred to the non-aligned status declared in the Declaration of State Sovereignty of Ukraine and concluded, "In that wording, under those conditions, we support the territorial integrity of Ukraine."
Но мы еще в 1991 году признали суверенитет Украины на основе декларации о независимости, которую Украина приняла, выходя из Советского Союза. И в декларации много чего записано хорошего, в том числе и то, что они будут уважать права национальных меньшинств, будут уважать права русского языка и других языков. Русский там прямо упомянут. Потом все это вошло в Конституцию Украины. Но в Декларации независимости было одним из главных для нас моментов было, что Украина будет внеблоковой страной, не будет вступать ни в какие военные альянсы. Вот в той редакции, при тех условиях мы территориальную целостность Украины поддерживаем.
In Mali, the Tuareg tribes have declared war on the Wagner PMC and are starting a safari against them reportedly. The Wagnerites more than once showed their cruelty towards the local population. They used excessive violence, killed, cut off their heads.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.